Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring power and proximity. Charge both devices above 20% and keep them close. Turn on Bluetooth on your phone and open the companion app or phone Bluetooth settings. On the watch, enable pairing mode or display the QR code. This signals the device to advertise itself. Once done, the phone should detect the watch name. Tap the name to initiate pairing, because that starts the authentication process, which exchanges keys and registers the watch to your phone. Once the phone detects the watch, authorize the connection. Accept Bluetooth and notification permissions when prompted, because the watch needs those to show alerts. If a PIN appears on one device, type it on the other or scan the displayed QR code to confirm identity. This prevents accidental connections. After authentication, allow data sync. Time, contacts, calendars, and health metrics. Make sure to set app permissions for each function, so apps can send alerts and sensors can share data. You finish by verifying the link, test notifications, incoming call alerts, and a quick health readout to confirm data flow. If something fails, first reboot both devices and try pairing again. Simple restarts clear transient Bluetooth conflicts. Make sure the companion app and firmware are up to date, because mismatched versions often block features. If issues persist, reset network settings or unpair, and factory reset the watch as a last resort. This clears old pair records and
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.